জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Grandma,
Yes.
I'll be stuck if priest comes home. I'm already late. I think I should leave now. I'll come later.
No, wait. You will not leave home till the priest comes here. You will stay home.
Grandma, listen. You please try to understand. I really need to go there. I have an important work.
I understand, my child. But what is more important is us looking after your well-being. When priest wants to come home to talk to us, then I am sure there is something in your astrology that has worried him.
Grandma, look, you know it very well that I don't believe in all this.
I know, my child, I know everything. But your dad and I, we believe in it. Will you not listen to us? You're not like that.
Oh no. Sanjukta, do you think she will cancel Dripto's plan to leave now? And what is the priest going to say to them? If he alarms them of Dripto's death, then what will happen to our plan? Oh no, what happened to you, Sanjukta? This looks bad.
Mom!
Look at this, Lourdes. Everybody donated so much for your worship. I will worship you so well today. I will decorate you with flowers, light and oil lamp, an incense stick, and then pray to you. Your worship is a big deal for me. I worship you so fondly, Lourdes. Then why do you still play these games with me? I never understand what you're trying to show me. I always wonder so much, and you just sit here and smile, right? Please don't keep so many mysteries and just tell me directly, Lourdes. I don't understand things well.
Sister! Hey, sister! Hey, sister! Have you seen Nayan anywhere? Our daughter? No, I have not. Oh, hey, brother! Have you seen Nayan anywhere? You did? Has any one of you seen Nayan? Huh? Have you, brother?
Nayan? No, I didn't see her.
Sister, have you seen Nayan? No, I have not. Can you not find her? No. Where did Nayan go? Father, nobody is able to tell where she is.
You calm down, okay? Just calm down. Don't worry. Just look at that. There are so many people at the market. We will ask them. I'm sure one of them will know. We will get to know. Yes. And we should...
Let's go.
Yes.
Brother, have you seen Nayan?
No. I haven't. Excuse me. Have you seen Nayan?
No, I have not.
You didn't see her?
Sister, have you seen my daughter?
No, I have not.
Lord, you know everything. Please tell me where my daughter is. Please tell me. Please tell me where my daughter is. Please tell me where my daughter is. Please tell me. Please, does it not bother you to see me so hurt? Okay then. Till you don't find my Nayan for me, I will bang my head at your feet and eventually die. I will die here. I will die.
Listen.
I only picked a few flowers as the branch was so high. The people at the market, however, gave a lot of flowers and garlands. You are being worshipped at this temple after so long, Lourdes.
Bring my
Listen,
daughter
what
back.
are you doing?
Bring my daughter back.
I left my mother alone. It has been bothering me since. I can't find peace, Lourdes. I keep thinking about my mother. I don't want anything for myself today. Just look after my mother and give her everything she wants in her life.
Wait, what are you doing? Wait.
No, Father. I won't stop until God returns my daughter to me. I won't
Please stop her. She is hurting herself. Please. Please ask her to stop.
Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! I will keep banging my head till I don't find my Nayan.
How long will you test us, Lord? Don't you see the condition she is in? Please tell us where Nayan is. Please lead us to her, O Lord.
Hey, Lord, everyone! Her mother is doing this because she can't find Nayan. Oh no. How do I let this happen? Please don't do this, sister. You're looking for Nayan, aren't you? I know which direction she went to.
Do you really know where she is?
Yes, I know, sister. Come, I will show you the path. Come with me, please.
God has taken your form and has directed me towards Nayan today. May you always be happy. May you get all the fortune and you are filled with happiness. Be happy.
Listen, let's go.
Yes.
But how did you know where Nayan went?
You know, priest, when I heard about Nayan leaving the village, I knew she would leave herself instead of putting you all in trouble. I drove the cart at night.
Okay.
I was there when she was leaving.
Okay.
I took her outside of the village in my cart.
What do you mean the girl is outside the village? How would we know where she went? How are we supposed to know where she went?
You don't have to worry about it. Lord is with us. You see, we will definitely find her. There's my cart. Come, come, come.
The cart is
Please
here.
help us, Lord.
Hey, Lord.
Please bring Nayan back to her mother. Please, I request you, Lord.
Father, you sit over there.
Come sit
Can I
here,
sit
sister.
here?
Please sit here. Shall we leave?
Yes.
I have one more wish, Lourdes. Just like I could predict Sister Shukla's problem and save her, allow me to do the same for everyone in the future, whoever faces problems. The way have given me the power to see, also give me the power to save them. It has been bothering me since.
What is going on, sister-in-law? In yesterday's storm, your picture's glass broke. And today, I have been trying since so long, but I just can't light the oil lamp in front of your picture. Why is that? This never happens. Aunt? Are you upset? Look, Rangana. I have been trying since so long, but I can't light the oil lamp. You're right. Every time you light an oil lamp here, it always works. Why isn't that happening? I got it now. It means that she doesn't want your prayers today, which is why the lamp is not lighting today. Haha. Mother hurt her finger. I was asked to take medicine and I'm gossiping here. Do you have anything to say? Really? I take everything so casually. That's why I get scolded. You have to say something to me. I am standing here like this and I started gossiping again. You stay here, I am leaving. Sister, what she just said? I always stand here and pray for Deepu's well-being. But then, today, is it an indication for something terrible?
Mom, why are you so careless?
No, I'm
How
fine.
did you hurt yourself so bad? You sit in the car, show this to
No.
a doctor and then we'll talk. Come on. You please sit. Mom, what happened? Come. Mom, you have to see our doctor today. We are not returning home before that. Please come with me. I'll go to work later.
Oh no. It was me who just arranged for the wheel coming off midway. And if she sits in that car,
Mom, hurry up. Sit. Mom, what happened? Come on, sit.
It isn't that deep, Deepu. I will apply medicines at home. It will be fine. I don't need to go anywhere. Yes.
I'm not listening to anything. It's a deep cut. I don't want to take any chance.
I'm
Please.
fine, Deepu.
Deepu, please don't go anywhere today. Listen to me. I don't know why. I have a bad feeling. Please don't go anywhere today.
All of this will stop him from leaving. But if he leaves, he wants to take me to the doctor in this car. Oof, what a problem. No, I won't sit in this car.
Don't be angry with me. Just listen to me once, Dripto.
Mom, who are you listening to? It's important to take you to the doctor today. Are you coming?
Mom, he won't listen to me. I don't know why. I feel like something terrible will happen today. Brother, please make him understand. Tell him not to step out today. Deepu,
Mom, will you come now? Please hurry up.
No, Deepu, I was saying that I don't need to. Stop it, my child. Don't leave today.
Grandma, the person who has passed out most of the time is not someone that I want to listen to.
I know that, my child. I too am ashamed for that. I wouldn't have listened to her on any other day. But today, everything is going wrong today. Nothing good is happening. The priest said that they found something in your astrology. Hence, he wants to come home. Pratima has a bad feeling On top of it, Sanjukta getting hurt. It is really scaring me, my child. Please don't step out today.
Grandma, I don't like this either. Mom's cut can lead to an infection and it's really scaring me a lot. Mom, you please come with me, please.
Deepu, listen to me.
Mom, I don't want any excuses. You will have to see a doctor first. Come with me.
Why
No, Mom, I
overreacting?
won't listen to any excuses.
I'm fine. But Deepu,
We have
listen
to go
me.
to a doctor.
I'm fine. I don't
No,
want to
I'm
go to the
not
doctor.
listening to you.
I'm telling
No,
you.
no.
Deepu, listen to me, Deepu.
Sanjukta.
He's gone since a long time.
Oh Lord, will I be dying with him now?
Oh no, I forgot something. I do not have a conch to worship you right now. If I would have said it in the market, someone would have definitely given it to me. But there is no way now. I will have to do the offering without a conch. Please don't be angry at me, Lourdes.
Get down, priest.
Step down, father. Step down.
Sister, I left Nayan right here at this place and I went away. After that, where did she go? I have no idea.
You don't know?
No, sister. Nayan forced me to leave. She asked me to go home as everybody would worry. She said that she'll go by herself. After that, I left.
Why did you let her go, brother? Why did you let her go?
Just let it go. Forget all of that. It has happened already. Let's go. Let's go and look where Nayan is. You go back. You leave, brother. At least we got this far because of you. May the goddess bless you.
Father? But father, we are at such a road that has so many paths to walk on. How would we know which direction Nayan went to?
Wait, you don't worry. We can ask for help. We can ask someone on our way.
What do you think? Will they even remember about my daughter?
Why have you lost hope? I never thought that we'd reach so far in finding her. Goddess has brought us this far. I'm sure she will tell us about the path further. Goddess, please tell us where Nayan is. Who could be worshipping in such an abandoned place?
Is it our Nayan, father?
জয় মা জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয় ভুবনেশ্বরী জয় মহালক্ষ্মী জয় মা জয় মা জয় মা
That's a familiar voice. Nayan is singing. Yes, it's Nayan. I knew that the goddess wouldn't disappoint us.